Welcome to our channel Infytq. This is Srijna. In the last session, I had discussed about exception handling topic. Up to exception handling topic, the core and advanced Python is completed. Now, I want to discuss about Infytq questions from previous papers. Let's see that. So, this is the first example question. So, first of all, you have to read the description carefully. After that, you have to check what are the inputs, how many inputs are given. So, what is the output format? So, after that, you can write example. After that, you can write coding. Okay. So, after coding, you can execute the program that output should be matched with these test cases. Okay. Let's see here. First of all, you have to read description. There is a practice of showing a cinema in the auditorium of a college on a cinema day. A cinema day is a day where the sum of day, month, year should be divisible by product of 3 and 4. On that particular day, the total number of students in the hostel should be greater than 50 but less than 100. Write a program to find whether the given day is a cinema day or not a cinema day. So, we have to given here 4 inputs. What are there? Day, month, year, and number of students. So, let's see here. Here, we are giving 4 inputs. This is nothing but day, month, year, number of students. If day, month, the sum of day, month, year, which is divisible by product of 3 and 4 at the same time. So the total number of students in the hostel should be greater than 50 and less than 100. Then the day is considered as cinema day. Otherwise, it is a not cinema day. Okay? Cinema day or not a cinema day. Let's write an example program for this. Let's write coding for this. So, first of all, I want to take 4 inputs. The day is equal to int of input of. There is no message here, so you can write int of input of. Next one, month is equal to int of input of. Next, year is equal to int of input of. The next one is number of students present in the hostel. S is equal to, again it is also integer, then you can write int of input of. Okay. So after that, I can calculate sum of day, month, year. Total is equal to d plus m plus y. Okay. D plus m plus y. Here, now I am writing an if condition. What is that? The sum of day, month, year should be divisible by product of 3 and 4. What is the product of 3 and 4? Product of 3 and 4 is nothing but 12. If total is divisible by 12 is equal to 0 at the same time, and so must and should two conditions should be true. What is the second condition? Let's see here. The second condition is on the particular day, the total number of students in the hostel should be greater than 50. It is nothing but is greater than 50. Or greater than 50 but less than 100. Yes, less than 100. So it is another condition. It is a second condition. Then, okay, the number of students present in the hostel should be greater than 50 or less than 100. So I write the condition. If this condition is true, then print what day? Cinema day. What day? Cinema day. Otherwise, then you have to check uppercase, lowercase letters also. Okay, cinema day. Otherwise, it will treated as not a cinema day. Not a cinema day. Else, print must and should you have to write here N capital, not a cinema day. Okay, not a cinema day. Let's execute this program. Okay. Okay. So how many inputs I have to give? There are 4 inputs. Let's see here. First test case. 4 inputs are 3, 19, 14, 76. 76. The answer is cinema day. Okay. So the first test case is matched. Next one. Let's check second test case. 27, 10, 1995, 50. Okay. Not a cinema day. Not a cinema day. Okay. This is the first example program. Let's move on to the next example program. Second one. Write a program to check whether the person is eligible to donate blood. Okay. Write a program to check whether the person is eligible to donate a blood. Age must be 18 or above. Weight must be 45 or above. Hemoglobin must be 5.5 or above. So here I have to give 3 inputs. The first one is integer form, second one is integer form, third one is float form. So input format, first input consists of A, second input consists of weight, third input consists of hemoglobin level. Okay, what is the output format? Output consists of eligible or not. Okay, so here it is a sample output. In these test cases I have to check here. He or she unable to donate blood. He or she can donate blood. Okay, let's write the coding of this program. Okay, let's take here. I'm taking 3 inputs. The first one is age. Okay, A is equal to int of input of. Next one is weight. Weight is equal to int of input of. The next one is hemoglobin. That is nothing but H. H is equal to float. I have to give float number, float of input of. Okay. After that, I have to write a condition. What is that condition? If age is must be 18 or above. 18 or above. If A greater than or equal to 18, at the same time, using AND operator, weight must be 45 or above. Weight must be 45 or above. And hemoglobin must be H must be greater than or equal to 5.5. Okay. So if these 3 conditions are true, then he or she can donate blood. He or she can donate blood. So let's check once. What is the answer? He or she unable to donate blood. He or she can donate blood. Okay. Either else block. If any one condition is wrong in the if block, automatically if block is not executed, it will move on to the else block. So print. What is the else block statement? He or she unable to donate blood. Unable to donate blood. Let's see here. I am executing this program. Okay. What is the first test case here? Let's check. First test case 15, 44, 5.4. 15, 44, 5.4. Then answer is he or she unable to donate blood. He or she unable to donate blood. Okay. So after that, I am executing this program again. Okay. Let's check second test case. 1845, 5.5. 1845, 5.5. Then the answer is he or she can donate blood. He or she can donate blood. This is about second example program. Okay. Let's move on to the third example. What are that? Accept two integer values from the user and return their product. If the product is greater than 1000, then return their sum. Okay. Accept two numbers. Okay. My input is two integer values. Accept two integer values from the user and return their product. I have to return a product. If the product is greater than 1000, if the product is greater than 1000, then return their sum. Okay. I want to take two integer values. What are that? A is equal to int of input of. Next, B is equal to int of input of. Int of input of. Okay. So after that, I have to calculate product for these two numbers. Product is equal to A into B. Product is equal to A into B. Okay. If product is greater than 1000, then return their sum. If product is greater than 1000, then return their sum. That is nothing but print A plus B. Print A plus B. Otherwise, else. Print product. Print product. Print product. Let's check this program. Here I am executing this program. First of all, what is that first test case? 1020, answer is 200. 1020, the answer is 200. Okay. What is the second test case? Let's check here. 2030. Okay. Again, I am executing this program. 2030. Then answer is 600. The product of 20 and 30 is 600. This is the 600 is less than 1000. Okay, that's why the product is executed. In the next test case, what is the input values? 40, 30. 40, 30. The product of 40, 30 is 1200. So 1200. That's why it will display sum of these two numbers. Sum of these two numbers is 70. So the answer is 70. The third test case is also matched. The third test case is also matched. This is the third example program. So let's move on to the next example. Okay, let's see here. Mr. Ben. Mr. Ben has started a new food delivery company called On Wheels. He has employed both male and female staff for the position as drivers. In that some are married while others are not. He has decided that the drivers who are married should be provided with some extra um, benefits. So he decided to take insurance policies for those who are married, male, and above 30 years, and also those who are not who are married, female, and above 25 years. Now, help for Mr. Ben to decide whether an employee is eligible for insurance or not. Okay. Okay. So here it is a company that is nothing but food delivery company. In food delivery company, employees are there that position as drivers. That position as drivers. So drivers are either males or females. Both employees are there. Male employees are there. Female employees also there. So and some of them married and some of them is not married. Okay. So Ben decided to provide insurance for drivers. So insurance for that employees is nothing but drivers who are married and above 30 years for male, who are married and above 25 years for female. Okay, let's write a code. So first of all, you have to check what is the input format. Okay, what is the output format. For example, enter name Srikanth, age, gender, are you married? So I have to take totally 4 inputs. Name, age, gender, are you married? Marriage status. Okay. Output. He or she is eligible for insurance or not. So here I have to take how many inputs? 4 inputs. Let's see here. The input format, I have to take 4 inputs. So first is name is equal to input of. It is a string format. It is a name. So here you have to enter name. Okay. There is a message is there. That's why click here, enter name. After that, age. Age is equal to input of enter age. I want to enter age also. Enter age. Okay. Enter gender, male or female. It is or in which input? It is or in string input. Gender is equal to input of enter gender. Okay. After that, again it is also in strings format, yes or no. Okay. So for example, I am taking a variable as ch. Input of are you married? Are you married? Must and should you have to check test cases. Okay. Uppercase, lowercase letters also. Yes or no. Okay. After that, okay, what I have to do? Let's go for description. So he decided that the drivers who are married should be provided. Who are married should be provided with some extra benefits. So he decided to take insurance policies for those who are married, male and above 30 years, and also those who are married, female, above 25%. First of all, we have to decide either gender is male or female. Gender male is or female. Okay. If gender is equal to male. If gender is equal to male, then what he should do? If gender is male, then the age is must and should greater than 30 and marriage status is S. If age greater than 30 at the same time and CH option CH is equal to S. Yes, marriage status is S and age is greater than 30, then print so name here, name after that is eligible for insurance. Okay, let's see here. If I entered male or female, if it is a male and it should check the person age is 30 or above and he is married or not. If he is married and age is above 30, then he is eligible for insurance. Otherwise, okay, so otherwise not eligible for insurance. Let's write here else print name comma is not eligible for insurance. Okay, if gender is male, it will execute it. If gender is equal to female. How can I enter female? Capital F, female. Okay. If gender is equal to female and must and should, if age greater than 25 and marriage status is equal to yes, then print name is eligible for insurance. Okay, either it will move on to the else block. Else print name is not eligible for insurance. Okay, so this is the code. Then I have to execute this code. Okay, let's check here. So match the all test cases. This is the first test case. Then you have to enter Srikanth. Age is 32. Male. Marriage status is S. Then output Srikanth is eligible for insurance. So the first test case is matched. Here I am executing second test case. Again Srikanth. age is 25, gender male, marriage status yes, okay, yes, but age here less than 30, okay, less than 30, there is no greater than 30, so not eligible. Shrikant is not eligible for insurance, okay. Let's check third one. Let's check third test case. Okay, Shrikant. Shrikant, age is 35, male, marriage status no, okay. Output, what is the output? Let's check here. Shrikant is not eligible for insurance, okay, it will execute it successfully. Then what is the fourth test case here? Priya. Let's execute this. Priya, age is 20, female, marriage status yes, so but age is lesser than 25. Priya is not eligible for insurance. Okay, here I am executing this test case. Priya is not eligible for insurance. Okay, let's check this test case. Priya, age is 26, female, yes. Priya is eligible for insurance. Priya is eligible for insurance. Okay. Last test case. Let's check last test case. The name is Priya and age is 28. Female. Marriage status is no. So Priya is not eligible for insurance. Priya is not eligible for insurance. Okay. This is the example code of Infytq questions. Okay. So here totally I completed 4 Infytq questions on this session. Okay. So what are that? See here. This is the first example on a cinema day or not a cinema day. Cinema day or not a cinema day is the first example. Okay. Second one is eligible to donate blood or not. Blood or not. The second one, accept 2 integer and return their product. If the product is greater than 1000, then return their sum. And next one is the example of insurance company, food delivery company. So the owner is decided to provide insurance for some people. So the people who are get married. So if the people are male, the age must and should be 30 above. If the people are female, the age must and should be 25 above. Okay, 30 above and 25 above. Okay, this is an example program. In next session, I will discuss on these previous question papers in particular questions. I will continue. Okay, thanks for watching.